Now that we have created walls in this residential project, let's create openings for doors and windows. I am going to zoom into this area and let me delete this extra geometry first. Now I will pick up line tool and draw a line from this point till this end. And we'll make another one from this end point to this edge. And it should be perpendicular to this edge. When I finish making the line, SketchUp will convert this rectangle into a plane. Now all you have to do is take the push-pull tool and pull it downwards and give a value 2 feet. We have just created a door opening. Delete all extra geometry. Now repeat these steps to create door openings wherever required, and in case it creates plane where you do not need it, just go ahead and delete that plane. Now let's create some window openings. This time I am going to use rectangle tool to create a plane. Then I will pull it upwards and give a value of 2 feet for the window sill level. And for top, I am going to draw a line. And see, it is creating a plane on its own, which is not required here. So I am going to delete it and will make another line and delete all the extra planes that SketchUp is creating on its own. And now I will use the push-pull tool and pull it downwards 2 feet. Make sure that the geometry is on the correct layer or tag. Repeat these steps wherever you want to place windows. Make sure it is on the correct layer. Clean the geometry by deleting all the extra lines.